My first impression of the School of Vision was it started light and small, which is great. We had intense discussion with creative individuals and creative professionals who I think at this point in our career and in our life really needed to have feedback from someone else.
Perspective is everything. Being able to have the experience to expand my perspective through the lenses of art, symbolism, theory, and experience is just, you can't match that. And it has to be through experience. So it's been a really beautiful moment of curation, a really nice moment of opening my own inner lenses and outer lenses.
It was an incredible performance on the staircase, and that really brought my vision together from body, architecture, and sound. I felt very inspired, so I'm really, really grateful for everything and ready to take it all together.